In this video, we'll show you how Exostellar Cluster Ops simplifies GPU orchestration with resource pooling, quota management, and walk through a simple scenario of two teams, dev team borrowing quota from prod team, and prod team reclaiming land-out quota with a simple and transparent job preemption mechanism. After a straightforward installation on your Kubernetes cluster, InfraAdmin can get immediate visibility into their GPU resources. The Insight dashboard gives a global view of the resource utilization efficiency. On the upper left, GPU efficiency score gives a high-level overview to gauge overall performance, and you can drill down to find hotspots and resource contention bottlenecks. The first step for InfraAdmin to set up is to create resource pools. A resource pool is a logical grouping of GPUs based on common characteristics defined by your labels. You can click each resource pool to see utilization metrics and click the list of nodes with filtering, sorting, and quick searches. Next, let's create a quota tree based on the resource pools we created. Starting with root quota, then two child quota for each team. One subquota for dev team, and another subquota for the production team, so they can borrow quotas from their siblings. Let's set no quota borrowing for now and compare before versus after quota borrowing is enabled. To submit workload, we need to create a queue, which sits in the leaf quota. Simply select the namespace and pick a quota name, which will be used for the workload submission. Let's create another queue for the dev team now. Now we're at the final step, which is the workload submission. Cluster ops support a variety of workloads: RAID, Kubeflow jobs, Kubernetes jobs, stateful sets, deployments, etc. You can monitor workloads with this rich dashboard. You can drill down to see the details. And now we have 11 pending jobs. Maybe dev team maxed out their quota. Let's double check. Yep. On this quota table, you see dev team use all 48 GPUs, but prod team has 64 GPUs idle. This is because quota borrowing is disabled. Let's enable quota borrowing, and now, let's see. Great, we have now 0 pending workloads. This is exactly what we want, and all of them are running on borrowed resources. Now, prod team, as the quota owner, needs to run some large workloads. System automatically reclaimed the resources dev team borrowed. Now you see prod team has all their workloads running after reclaiming resources. Our workload dashboards. Now you see prod team has all their workloads running after reclaiming resources. And dev team has 11 pending workloads, again, waiting until more resources are freed up. Now let's go back to the quota table. As you see, all quotas are maxed out for each team. If prod team's jobs are finished, dev team can pick up those quotas again. For the sake of demo time, instead of waiting, let's queue prod team's jobs and see what happened. Now look at that. Immediately, dev team has 0 pending workloads instead of 11. And all of them are running on freed up resource again. With Exostellar, enterprise team can maximize infra efficiency, minimize idle resources, and accelerate time to value. Thanks for watching.